Okay, so I know we're probably all wondering, like, why are we in the car? Bestie, we're in the car because we're making some extra money for Christmas. I am doing DoorDash.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
I started DoorDash, when did I start DoorDash? Like, November last month? Yeah, that's when I really started doing DoorDash. Like, I had the app, but I was like, oh, I don't feel like doing it. Oh, I don't feel like doing it. And then I did it last month. I think this was like right before Thanksgiving. And it was giving. Like, I was getting, oh, the light, the sun, she's soaking in. Like, I was getting really good money. Like, I was making really good money in my area and really good tips. And I was like, okay, like, we're finna fuck with DoorDash now. I have kind of like always struggled with money. Nobody knows this better than my husband. I've always struggled with not paying bills on time or budgeting or anything. It's sticking to it. Like, I can write up a fucking bomb-ass budget. But, babes, are we going to stick to it is the question. So, a challenge I'm doing for myself is if I want something extra that has nothing to do with bills, then, sorry, it's a bus that just, like, is letting off all of these children. Where are they going? It's like an after-school program? Interesting, didn't know that even existed over here. But I am doing this thing with myself where if I want something extra that has nothing to do with bills, then I'm gonna work for it, extra for it. It's been working pretty well. Your girl has not been purchasing a lot of things because now I know in the back of my head, okay, if I want this thing off of Amazon, now I'm gonna have to go in DoorDash until I make that. It's nothing that my husband asked me to do. It's just something that I wanted to do for me because I felt like I saw myself spending these big amounts of money and just adding to cart, and just buying stuff and not really like standing like, babes, you're kind of going crazy, and if you keep with your spending habits like this, you will not be a billionaire one day, and we're all aspiring to be a billionaire. So, sorry, the sun is extremely bright. Okay, so I came to that realization, and like I just feel like, okay, let's just do this. But I have to make a video today because this vlog is Vlogmas, and I'm gonna be talking to you. You can go ahead. I'm gonna be talking to you, but I'm gonna be looking ahead because I am driving. So yeah, so I was like, okay, well, I have to make a video for Vlogmas. Let's make a video of me door dashing, making some extra cash, extra money. Sorry, I'm trying to find this, like, oh, it's right here. I'm trying to find this Chinese place, and I just found it, like, kind of crazy. Let me go run in and get this Chinese food. I will be back. I wanted to do, like, the X. If you have TikTok, I know you've seen this. Hold on, let me put in the address of where I'm going before I just start driving. Are literally just gonna be like what are they gonna be? They're just gonna be like normal everyday life things, everyday life things, and then I might do an ick with my husband on TikTok, I don't know, but like these are just my icks, like my icks with humanity in general, or like things in general. First, we're gonna start with driving. Your girl drives a lot now that I do DoorDash, so I think I can sit here and talk about my icks with driving. So number one ick with driving, I was just talking to my friend about this. I hate when I'm driving and someone is riding my ass. I hate when you're literally on the back of my car to where if I brake, you're gonna hit me. I hate that. Do not speed up behind me and try to make me go faster, babes, because I will slow all the way down. I really will. Like, if you've been in the car with me and someone has done that to me on the interstate or on the road, on the street, baby, I'm slowing down because now you've pissed me off. I don't like the fact that you think that you can be on my ass and that is supposed to intimidate me to make me speed up for you. No, not happening. I'm going the speed limit or I'm flying if I want to personally, but there's no way in hell you're going to tell me how to drive. So, yeah. Did it earlier today. I was driving. I did DoorDash for a little bit earlier, and I'm going to make a left here. And, sorry, let me pay attention. Yeah, I did DoorDash earlier today, and there was someone, like, on my ass, like, trying to make me go faster, and it was pissing me off. And, y'all, I was going 55 in a 45, so, like, babes, how much faster did you want me to go? I'm not getting a ticket for nobody. So he was on my ass. He had a chance to get over. He didn't get over. Okay, you want to play games. So I slowed all the way down. I went from, let me tell you, I dropped it from 55 to 25. And now I'm gonna really piss you off because now you're pissing me off. So he decided to get over and he was very irate and annoyed, and that's just fine. That is an ick for me. I hate that, bro. Like, if someone is going too slow for you, please just get in a different lane or slow down and move with those speed of traffic. And what's crazy is, if I would have sped up, there was an accident ahead of us at that next light. So if I would have been fucking speeding and the cops are right there, you know I would have got the ticket, y'all. So that's what I be talking about. Like, strong ick for me. Strong ick for me. Here's the second ick for me. Like, when you turn onto a street and you turn slow as fuck. I'm not even talking slow. I'm talking about, babes, you're coming to a complete stop just to make a right turn. Why? Why are you even driving? Like, I don't understand. Like, that bugs me. That is an ick for me when it comes to driving. Like, it pisses me off. Because why? Like, why are we doing this? Is this their house? Yeah, it is. Why are we doing this? Like, strong ick for me. Strong ick for me. Like, it will alter my entire mood. One thing about DoorDash, if you weren't hungry before, bitch, delivering somebody's food, oh, you're gonna be hungry, babes. Trying to think. It's a chicken salad. I'm trying to think, what is another major ick for me driving wise? Like, oh my goodness, this ick tops the turning ick. It's right under the cusp of the being on my ass ick. Here it is. Are you ready? When the light is green, why the hell are we stopped? I'm gonna explain. Somebody explain to me. It pisses me off, y'all. I be ready to burr. It pisses me off. Why are we stopped at a green light? Tell me. We're stopped at a green light. I'm gonna tell you. We're stopped at a green light because somebody isn't paying attention. Number one. Number two, I don't fucking know. That's literally the only reason as to why we could be stopped at a green light. Baby, if a train is not coming by, the ambulance, the fire truck, the train, or the police, I don't understand why we are stopped at a green light. It's green. Green means go. Everybody knows this. You were taught this in elementary school. Why are we stopped at a green light? That will piss me off faster than I don't even know, y'all. Like, it bugs me hard. I don't understand it, and it happens so often, y'all. It is so frustrating. Like, I be sitting in the car going off. Maybe I have a tad smidge of road rage, I don't know. But, like, tell me if these are your icks too when it comes to driving, because, like, and if you have different ones, please comment down below and let me know. I'm sorry I can't look you in the eyes, baby, but I'm trying to be, like, cautious and, what's the word? Safe. Yeah, safe. But yeah, that's a huge ick for me. I don't know. But if you made it this far in the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And please only leave positive comments, and please leave me your icks down below. Because I really want to see, like, am I the only person that has these certain icks? Are there other icks that you guys have that maybe I haven't touched on? I don't know. But, and also, if you haven't watched any of the other Vlogmas videos, please go ahead and watch all of those. Your girl has been working hard. The videos are going to get way better. Trust me. Just wait. Don't be upset with me. They're going to get better. I promise you. The sun is sunning, baby. That sun is sunning. I hope you guys had a really good week, too. Like, it's Friday. Whoop, whoop. Like, it's been a long week for me. I feel like the week, like, when I'm in the week, in the depths, the bowels of the week, I feel like it goes by extremely slow. And then I feel like when I get to Friday, I'm like, damn, that shit just flew by. Just picked up an order from Jersey Mike Subs, and y'all, it smells, oh my gosh, so good. You see how it's like pitch black already? What time is it? That's an ick for me. That's a really big ick for me. I hate daylight savings time. I really do. I feel like the day goes by extremely slow and then fast. Like, after I get off, like, literally, I would have just gotten off an hour ago. Pitch black. That's depressing to me. Oh, I gotta change the battery. But I'm trying to think of something fun I want to do when I'm done door dashing. Okay. My husband's stocking keeps falling off, y'all. I really don't know why. But let's light up the Christmas tree. I just got home from door dashing. I made 113 today. I'm gonna turn the air down too. Yo, I am so tired. I made 113 today. I did really, really good. I just came from Publix. I'm gonna order us some pizza. My husband had 2 basketball games I wasn't able to go to because I wanted to DoorDash and make some extra money. So he should be on his way home now. I was gonna get pizza from this place down the street, but they closed at 9. Pizza, top tier, chef's kiss. So I'm gonna order Papa John's. It's the next best thing. And let me show you what I got from Publix. I got me a big bottle, big teens.
My big team.
Big teens. I got the Barefoot Sweet Red blend. Get into the vibes. Get into the vibes. I was going to make these from scratch, but like I saw them in Publix and I was like, why would I do that? Who am I, Betty fucking Crocker? These are gonna be fire. And then my cousins put me onto this. Get into it. So good. I can make my own charcuterie board with this. Perfect snack. So good. But yeah, so let's order this pizza and let's get the Friday night going. I'm gonna put the cookies in the oven too. So they can bake, you know, do their thing. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I made some good money. Well, really $123, but I spent like $11 on Zaxby's earlier, so. But I made good money.
That's good.
Bruh. Bro, you liking all of my vlogs because we be on the phone. Can you at least say hey to the camera?
Hello.
What's your name, senor?
Senor Tracy. Senor Tracy PC.
I ain't cropping this out either. Okay, so Chrissy and I be playing Skip Bow. If you guys like playing Skip Bow, you should play this and let me know, and maybe I can play with you guys or something.
Oh my gosh, yes.
That would be fun.
That ass with y'all too.
I'm dead. That would be fun. Oh, my husband calling. Text me the room card thing.
It won't let me do it.
Hold on. Hello?
Hey.
Hey, you're on the vlog.
I'm on the vlog?
Mm-hmm.
What makes me so special to go on the
vlog? I'm just, like, vlogging, and then you called.
I was just calling to tell you I am pulling out, driving home. I gotta get stopped for gas real quick, and then I am gonna be home.
Okay. How was the games?
Pay attention to this, okay? You dropping that temple science ain't cutting, huh? Gina, go! Getting myself right. And I'm seeing the light.
Something traumatic just happened. You'll find out in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Thanks as always for supporting me. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment only positive things. And let me know y'all icks. Like, comment down y'all icks below if you have any, which I'm sure you do. I feel like everyone has icks or things that just irritate them, which is that's what an ick is. But I will be back. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this vlog today. It's Saturday, and then we're gonna get the next vlog rolling. So, without further ado, catch you guys later. Bye.